I know by the title of this video, this is like one of the latest videos of my Ipsy versus Ipsy that I think I've ever done here on my channel. I have to look back, but I mean, this is really late for me in my opinion, and I was being a little bit of a complainer on Instagram and telling you guys that I still hadn't received it. I wasn't even supposed to get mine for another couple of days. I don't know what's going on. I'm hoping it's because with 4th of July landing right in the center of everything that it just threw the shipping dates all off. Let's dive into it because I know that you guys are here for one thing and one thing only, and that is to see what is inside my Ipsy versus Ipsy unbagging. So if you guys want to see what I got for this month of July, then just keep watching. So here are the bags for July. You guys can see they are in the shade of blue, and it's got like a little bit of an iridescent finish to it. I don't know why, but when I saw these bags, I instantly thought of unicorns. I feel like a unicorn explosion is happening right now. So maybe that's why. My daughter's obsessed with unicorns too. So I feel like everything I see is unicorns. So let's start off with the very first bag. Diving into the very first thing I see here is the H2O Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream, and this is clinically proven to double skin moisture. I actually would consider using this, especially with the summer months. I feel like being out in the sun so much, I've gotten some peeling and stuff, and I just feel like my skin doesn't look as great as it can. So I actually will try this and take a look at it. I have heard of H2O Beauty. I have not tried a whole lot from them, but we'll check it out. The next thing I have here is from Ahava. Every time I get this brand, I cannot say the name, but I have received stuff like this, and it is the Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. All right, so the next thing we have here is in this packaging, and this is by La Butte Fatale. Oh, that's gorgeous. So as you guys can see, more so on my skin tone, I feel like it definitely comes off more of a pinker tone to it, but it definitely has a purple undertone to it, which you guys know me, I'm obsessed with purple, so yeah, that's nice. So the next thing we have, oh, make sure I don't get lipstick. We also do have, oh, this is awesome. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer, you guys. The shade that I got in, this looks a little bit darker for me, but it's a medium to dark. I definitely don't see it being a highlighter, but maybe, let's see. It's got great consistency. It's very, ooh, what was that? It's very, very hydrating. So if you guys have dry under eyes, you guys are definitely going to like this. And I like it because it's also very buildable. So you guys are also going to be able to build this coverage up, which is awesome. So, and then the last thing I have here, which if you guys saw my PR haul, then you guys would have seen this before, but I'm very excited still because I have tried this. It's such a great product. This here is the Peak Performance Brow Pencil and Spoolie, and the one that I got in is in Natural Brunette. So here is what it looks like. The pencil will be on one side, and then you've got the spoolie on the other side. And this one is very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. So if you guys like the Brow Definer, this would be something to keep in a look out for because this one is just a little bit more affordable than that one. Now let's move into this bag. So the very first thing I have in here is the Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. So I have this box here, which is a bright blue box, but this is the Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. The one that they sent was in a travel size, and it's just a liquid eyeliner to line and define. I do want to say that I have a full-size version of this that I think I've received before from them because the packaging looks very familiar, but I have heard people talk about this eyeliner. They say it's really good, and it works really nicely for those like nice little flicks that you like to do. Ooh, we also got a nice little brush. This one's really short, but I think I like it a little bit more. I like the handle on this. This is by Elizabeth Mott, and this is the tapered blending brush. Oh yeah, I can definitely see myself enjoying this. And then I have this really bright lip liner, I want to say. So this is by the brand Lord & Berry, which we have received before. I think I've mentioned it too to you guys, that I've used their pencils just like this, and they have like black pencils, brown pencils. I've gotten a lot of the black pencils, and I actually really like them. I think that they work really well on the waterline, but this is bright. First thing I see that it says is not a perfume. It says Juliet has a gun. Okay. The description is so crazy. Not a perfume is a molecular composition and will not resemble to anything you've ever tested before. Made out of a single ingredient, it has no top or heart notes, so while testing it, chances are you will experience a certain weakness at first glance. I don't know why I'm so nervous to try this. All right. I think I like it. It's not overpowering, which I do enjoy. It's very refreshing, almost like a lemon scent to it. It's very different. Like, you know when you spray a perfume and it like, sometimes when they're so strong, they kind of go like everywhere and you're like, like that? No, it's not like that. It's like you almost have to be within like, you know, face-to-face reach to kind of smell it. I don't know, that description really threw me off. I got really nervous with it. So, anywho, that there ends my Ipsy versus Ipsy unboxing for the month of July. I apologize that it is so late here in the month, but blame Ipsy, not me. Also, for those of you guys that are wondering, I did cancel my Birchbox. We did a couple months of it, and I just really did not like it. It wasn't anything too great, so Birchbox has ended. I canceled it. If you guys have any other subscription services that you guys think I should enjoy, or I should enjoy, that I would enjoy, let me know. I'm on a wait list for Macy's. I can't get through for some reason. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, before you head out, please make sure to subscribe down below. That way you guys can be a part of this family, and you guys are always welcome to follow me on social media. I'm at StephsBeauty05 for everything. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, which I don't know about you guys, but I hardly ever go on my Snapchat, so follow me on Instagram because that's where I like to hang out. So, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.